Have you been dreaming about owning a vacation home for your family to enjoy? Have you given much thought about the benefits of that vacation home? Hi, I'm Pesek with the Dripping Springs Home Team. You can enjoy a vacation home while it helps pay for itself with rental income. Here are some tips and tricks when looking for an investment vacation home property. Tip number one, as always, location, location, location. We hear it all the time, and it's always the first rule of real estate for a very good reason. Even more so when you're talking about vacation homes. Two primary things that you should be considering. One, where do you want to be when you're using the property? And two, where do renters actually want to be when they're renting a vacation home? Tip number two, rental restrictions. You have to pay attention to what the rules are and the regulations when investing in a rental property, especially a short-term rental property. You should definitely contact any HOAs directly and do your due diligent research before you buy. The third tip is property management. For those of us who just don't have the time and energy to devote to advertising a property, handling the lease, collecting rent, paying taxes, dealing with maintenance issues, a property manager is an absolutely great asset. Interview multiple managers and ask for line item fee worksheets and seek references from them. Local Facebook groups can be great for this. Tip number four is costs. As you can imagine, there's costs associated with owning a second home. There's rental property taxes, insurance, property management fees, utilities, general property maintenance. There might also be HOA fees or condo fees. These can seriously add up, so you have to embrace them as you project a realistic rental income potential of your new home. Tip number five is know what your season is. When is the prime time that people are going to want to come use your vacation rental? Also, what time frames are you actually looking to utilize it for your personal use? If you're using it during the peak rental time, realize that you're going to be losing more profit than if you use it at off times. Lastly, here's a little bonus tip. Make sure that you're working with a knowledgeable realtor who knows and absolutely loves the community that you're looking in. And make sure they have expertise in dealing with rental properties. I have a vast network of trustworthy referral partners in all corners of the U.S., including Hawaii. So even if you aren't looking for a home here in Central Texas, chances are I can still help you, so just ask. If you'd like more guidance in your search for that vacation home you're looking for in paradise, connect with me. I personally have experience and I'll be able to help you navigate the ins and outs of buying that vacation home.